everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to continue with my makeup inventory and declutter. I've already done my foundations and that video is already up and I will link it down below. Next I am going to do powders. So I'm going to try to hold you still. I've got the tripod on my leg. Sorry guys, but this was like the easiest way I could think of doing this. So let me pull everything down and we'll go through my powders. I have more than I thought. So here we go. I have some pressed and I have some loose, and I did not count them separately last time. I will count them separately this time though, I think. And some of it's a little dusty. Sorry. So last time I had a total of 18 powders and 11 of them were mini size. So let's see what I got now. I just got these from my friend Aiden. So I got 2 full sizes there. This I got from Willow Cosmetics. I know it says something different on the top. It says willowshopping.com. The owner of the company gave me a bunch of items to try, and I've decluttered everything, but I think I'll hang on to this powder. I'm going to try it again, and if it bothers me, I will declutter it. The other items tend to give me some issues, and I couldn't use them, so I had to get rid of them. There we go. This is new. I bought this during the Sephora sale. So there's a full size, and it came with a smaller size. So I'm just gonna count that as a. Yeah, let's just count all the powders as one. I have this banana powder. Who makes this banana powder? Bella Pierre Cosmetics. I'm going to hang on to that because I think that's the only banana powder I have. I got this e.l.f. powder free. I haven't even tried it. I got it in an e.l.f. order. I'm going to hang on to that. I have this Bare Minerals Mineral Veil powder from a long time ago. I guess it's okay. This one, it says it's tinted. It's not the same shade. Maybe I will try to use this little one up, whoops, in the summer. Maybe that'll be something I put in my project pan to use up. Then I have this small Tarte Smooth Operator powder. I don't think I've even tried this one. Yeah, I've tried it. I can't remember if I liked it or not. I'm going to hang on to it. I have a I have a Naked Cosmetics powder in translucent. I think I will hang on to that. And then I have an AOA Studio Perfect Setting powder. And I think I'm going to hang on to that. I've heard good things about this. I have used it. I don't use it very often, but I think I'm going to hang on to all of these powders. I'm not going to delete any of them. Delete. Yeah, I got my new computer. Yay! So yeah, I'm not going to do declutter. Now, as far as my press powders go, I have a Charlotte Tilbury, and this one, yeah, the dog is laying beside me and he makes funny noises, so if you hear him, that's RC. But yeah, I really need to use that powder. I've got this Winky Lux. They actually sent me this. It's diamond powder. Diamonds are a girl's best friend in medium. I'm going to hang on to that. I just need to use it. I got this Bare Minerals press powders. I think I want to hang on to those. I have this little It Cosmetics powder. And you know what? I might throw that one in my purse. It doesn't have a mirror, but I have a mirror in my purse. But it has a little sponge. I think I might throw that in my purse. I'm going to keep it. Now, I have this Max Factor Cream Puff Press Powder. I bought that for a video. But I think I'm going to hang on to it. So I didn't declutter anything. I didn't declutter a thing. So let's count what I got. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. I have 16. So I had 18 last year. I have 16 this year. And I did use up some powder this year. I know I did. So, not bad. I am just going to keep it at that. So, there we go. Okay, next we're going to do primers. At the beginning of 2020, I had 27 primers, but 15 of those were minis. So, let's go through primers. I need to declutter some primers because they're probably gone bad. Yeah, yada yada. I'm currently using this little Dior primer. I really like it. I don't think it's so great that you need to go out and buy it. But I'm currently using that one. And I'm also using this one. I'm using these two kind of back and forth. And then I have another one of those Guerlain minis that I want to hang on to. This I got from, again, that Willow Cosmetics. And it's all dried out, yucky. So this one I'm going to trash. So there's one decluttered. I do have the e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. And it's working just fine. It feels great. So I'm going to keep that. Keeping my Huda Matte Perfection. I'm keeping my No Problem Primer from Touch of Soul. And it's Copycat, the e.l.f. Poreless Face Primer. I'm going to keep both of those. I have a Becca Velvet Blurring Primer. I'm going to keep that. I have another one of these No Problem, the Prime Essence. I'm going to keep that. I'm keeping everything. This Dr. Brandt Luminizer Primer. Let me think about that. I have a Smashbox. This is a deluxe sample size. I'll keep that. This Laura Geller Spackle. I've had this a while. I feel like I probably need to declutter that one. This Cover FX Blurring Primer. I'm going to keep that. I've got a Laura Mercier. I've got a Laura Mercier Foundation Primer Radiance. It's a small one. I think I'll keep that. And then I have this little box. Little box. Let's see what's in here. I have one of these little Smashbox primer oils. And then another of these. Cover FX Illuminating Primer. This is blurring. This is illuminating. I'm going to keep that. I'm going to keep the Milk Hydra Primer. I have used part of that. I think I just recently got this. This Tone Up Primer. I'm going to keep that. Smashbox Radiance. Keep that. What is this? Becca Backlight Film Primer. I have this one is Velvet. Okay. I'll hang on to that. The Smith & Colt Backdrop Mattifying Primer. You know, I have a lot of primers. I think I'm just going to declutter that. I don't think I've even used this. From black to clear. I have not even used that one. But I don't think I'm hanging on to it. MAC Prep and Prime. Probably need just to use that little one up. Hourglass Veil. Keep that. Oh, here's another little Becca. The Velvet. And Stellar Radiant. And then I think I am going to declutter the Dr. Brandt one. Because I have a lot of primers. So I think I'm going to declutter that one. So I'm decluttering 4. Let me count what I got here. Okay. I had 27. I now have 24. I think that's fine. That'll get me through the year. Hopefully. And 12, 13, 14, 15. It's more of a deluxe. So I'm going to say 15 of those were minis. The mini number hasn't changed. Even though I have changed. This one is recently, so they've come and gone. I still have 15 minis. And so let's move on to the sprays. Okay, and last today we're going to do setting sprays. I started 2020 with 18 setting sprays. and 8 of those were minis. Now, I do know my numbers have changed. So, first, I have this I Heart Revolution Pineapple Brightening Makeup Spray. I'm going to hang on to this. I haven't used that one yet. I have this Wet n Wild Photo Focus in Coconut, and it's almost gone. I use this to dampen my sponge when I'm putting on my makeup. That I'm currently using. I just got the Marc Jacobs from Aiden, so I'm keeping that for sure. I am keeping my all-nighter. I still got, I'd say about 2/3 of that bottle is full. I love that. This is another I Heart Revolution Fixing Spray in Vanilla and Coconut. I'm going to hang on to that. This is Skin & Co. Truffle Therapy Illuminating Skin Refresh Mist. I'm hanging on to that. I probably won't declutter any of this, truthfully. The Urban Decay Quick Fix. It's a smaller one, but I still have that. Cover FX Illuminating Setting Spray. Hanging on to that. The Super Goop. I love this. I only use it in the summer. Super Goop Setting Mist with Rosemary SPF of 50 Setting Spray. So I love this for the summer. And then I have 2 smaller sample sizes that I can throw in my travel bag. And then last, I have a Kula. Okay, I can see there's about half of that one in there. Makeup setting spray. I might put that in my project pan because that will be coming up. I'm going to do a project pan. So, let's see how many I have. Like I said, I had 18 and 8 of them were mini. I only have 3 minis now. So that's good. So, what have I got? 2, 4, 6, 8, 9. I have a total of 12. Not bad having 18 last time, and like I said, only 3 are minis. So that's it. That's all we're going to do today. That's all of my face primers, powders, and setting sprays. So I hope y'all enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. I would appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Let me know how your numbers have changed, because I know a lot of you are also decluttering and are also keeping an inventory. An inventory really helps me see what I've got. So I think this was a great idea for me to start doing this. So guys, again, thanks for watching. See you next time.